Hello everyone, in this video we are to learn how to solve this exponential equation. So let's get started. Now first of all, what I have to do is to take ln on both sides of the equation. So taking ln on both sides, I'll have my ln x to the power x equals my ln 2. So now we can see that this x can drop. So dropping the x, I'll have my x multiply my ln x equals ln 2 here. So now, to make things easy for us, I will let t equals ln x. So making t equals ln x. So from here, I'll try to make x the subject. So making x the subject from this one, I'll have my x equals e to the power t. So from here, I'm making x the subject, which is e to the power t. So from here, we can substitute both into this equation. So doing our substitution, where we see x, we put e to the power t there. So I'll have my e to the power t multiplying, where I see ln x, I put my t there. So multiplying my t equals ln 2 here. So now from here, we will apply the Lambert W function. So applying it, I'll have my W multiplying my t times my e to the power t, bracket close, equals my W multiplying my ln 2 here. So from here, this one gives me t equals my W ln 2 bracket close. So remove them. So now I can do some substitution here. So where I see t, I can put ln x here. So doing so, I'll have my ln x replacing t with ln x equals my w multiply ln 2 here, bracket close. So making x the subject, I'll have my x equals my e to the power w multiplying ln 2. So computing this one, I'll have my x equals 1.5596. So thank you for watching the video.